Hi, friends. I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes, I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter U. These words start with U. Urchin, unicorn, and umbrella. Urchin, unicorn, and umbrella. I'll start with you. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter U with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big U or the little u? Okay, let's draw the big U first. A U looks like a horseshoe. Let's trace it now. Great job, friends. Great job drawing a big U. Now let's draw the little u. Remember, it's much smaller. A U looks like a horseshoe. Let's trace it now. Let's do that again. Okay, friends. A U looks like a horseshoe. Let's trace it now. Great job, friends. Do you remember how? Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter U. Thank you for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.